Oh.
Ay, Dios.
So when I grew up in Wisconsin, this is essentially what I remember the most. Oh, I love my tractor, I love my barn, I love the animals on the farm, I love them all from 1 to 10, all the animals in Wisconsin. Welcome to Wisconsin. This is where I grew up. Yeah! This is what we do during our summer times with my father, my wife, my brother, sister-in-law, and my kids. Look at that old man. I finally figured out why my family's so happy to see me all the time. It's not my sparkling personality, it's my knack for straightening everybody out. Literally. All right, here we are today in Wisconsin. We're going to be adjusting my family. This is my brother, if you can't tell. That's my father with his shirt. We're going to adjust his neck here today. How you feeling?
Great. Ready.
Tell me what you said the other week. You said you had your son on top of your shoulders for 90 minutes during a concert?
Yep. And my lower back never felt worse.
Well, unfortunately, we're going to adjust your neck right now. So.
All right.
Doing great. Nice. Woo! Pretty simple adjustment in a chair. So here's my sister-in-law, Lindsay. We're gonna get you adjusted as well.
Okay. Oh. Yep. Hallelujah. I feel good. It's always gonna feel good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Love it.
After a long day at the pool, it's time for us to wind down a bit, Wisconsin style.
You can bet this one through that I'll make a man out of you.
All right, day 2 in Wisconsin. Here with one of my best friends from high school, Jared.
Hey, how's it going?
And we've never adjusted his neck before, so we're gonna do a cervical adjustment by the pool. What's gonna happen, I'm gonna do a tissue pull, and we're gonna bring it this way, and just like that, and we're gonna just thrust like that.
Okay.
Any questions?
Nope. Oh. Oh man. I have not heard something crack like that in a long time.
That was his first neck adjustment ever.
Ever. Oh, that's fantastic.
Okay, now go ahead and push back. Nice.
Oh man. That's awesome.
Glad
Love
to
it.
have you part of the team.
Love it. Love it.
Love you, buddy. Love you.
I feel loose. I've not heard something crack like that in a long time.
I'm gonna adjust my pops now.
Yep.
Ready, pops?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Yeah,
deep clunk.
yeah, that felt good. Wow.
Okay. Oh,
Oh yeah, wow.
too bad these chiropractic adjustments don't help you grow your hair back.
I wish they did.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, good. Oh, feels good. Ooh. Yep. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Feels good. It's like a release.
Oh, nice. You got your wrist there.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
I feel like a new man. I might
ready?
go in the pool.
Now we're gonna be doing our au pair 80. It's been a long trip. Everybody needs an adjustment.
Ay, Dios.
The smile says it all. All right, mama, you're next.
Okay.
The key to this is to relax. Adjustments in chairs are harder because the patient has a tougher time relaxing. Nice.
That's good.
That's great.
It felt good.
What the hell is a chipmunk? Adjustment. Time for adjustment.
Oh,
He ran away.
oh, that did good.
Well, you tell him.
I have trigger thumb. That was
Oh.
good. Yeah, that one really moved.
We'll get the wifey last. Adjusting my wife.
You've got better.
Beautiful. How you feeling?
Good.
And go. Nice. And go. Nice.
I was like a tiny one.
Not too It is. Nice.
Good.
Back at you. That's it. Wisconsin.